What did you say to me? Well, first off, I didn't say anything. You hit me. No! No! I'm rising back from the dead. Oh, baby! Now we're zombies. Let's go eat people. Look, it's Kristen right here. I think we killed him. What do we do now? I don't know. What do we do when you kill someone? I don't know. We're zombies. We don't care. We kill people all the time. Oh, yes. Oh, no. He's a zombie.